Okay, so when you have two inequalities together in an expression like this, right, we have to break them up. Okay, so how to break them up? The first and the second term is one break up. Then after that, the second and the third term break up. Okay, so you should have minus 4 greater, smaller or lesser than 2x. Then you have another equation. So this one is n. 2x lesser or equal to 3x minus 2. Then you work from here. Okay, so once you have this term, right, the turning point. Okay, the turning point, it will be at the coordinate. You see this h? So it will be at a coordinate h, k. Okay. So we look at an example. So if let's say you have y is equal to x minus 5 square plus, okay, maybe plus, okay lah, plus 14. Okay. So what is the turning point? 5 and 14. Understand? Okay, now we try one more question. Okay, so y is equal to x plus 2 square minus 17. Okay, what is the turning point? 2 and negative 17. So negative 17 is correct. Okay, because this k is very straightforward lah. Whatever number is here, you just put it here. But this h is a bit tricky lah. Because now you see, if you say that it's 2, right, it's not negative ma, it's plus. So you have to change it to a minus here. So if you change it to a minus, right, it will become x minus 2 minus 17. So actually your h is supposed to be negative 2. And an easier way to look at it, right, basically you just see if this is minus 5, then the turning point x coordinate will be plus 5 long. This is minus 5, change to plus 5. This is plus 2, change to minus 2. Then the y coordinate of the turning point will be just taking this and throw it in. Okay? Okay, to find turning point, you need to have this expression. Y is equal to x minus h square plus k. So now if you have y is equal to x square plus 2, you make it into the format on top. So this one is actually x minus 0, right? Square plus 2. Can you see it? So this one is just x. So it's x minus 0. So this h is actually a 0. So that is also x square. So whenever x square, that means it's x minus 0, the whole thing square. Whenever you say x square, that means the h is 0. So it turns, so meaning the turning point is at 0, 2. And the x square coefficient is positive, right? So if you were to draw the graph, that means it is a U-shaped graph that turns at 0, 2. So you see this k here, right? This k is actually the y-intercept if this h is 0. Okay, so the graph, if you sketch, it looks something like this. Sorry, not symmetrical, something like this, and this point is 2. Understand? Try one more question. Y is equal to x plus 1 whole thing square. So can you see that our h, right, basically is like that. If you want to make it into the format, x minus 1 square plus 0. Okay, so what is the turning point?
-1 and 0.
Excellent. Okay, so if you want to do shortcut, right, like what I say, down here you see a plus 1, just flip the sign, becomes -1. Then down here nothing, so it's -1, 0. Clear?